Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying access immediately. Sign into the correct Google account and complete two-step verification if prompted. Once done, make sure you know whether you are an editor, commenter, or responder, because permissions determine what you can change versus only submit. Also gather specifics about the form, which questions are required, whether file uploads are allowed, and their size limits, and any response quotas. This prevents wasted attempts and lets you plan how to enter data or request changes promptly. You now focus on execution. If fields are disabled or submissions fail, open developer tools and look for console errors or blocked scripts, because many issues stem from extensions or broken JS. Once you see errors, disable extensions, clear cache, or use an incognito window to verify whether the environment caused the issue. If the problem is file uploads, compress or convert files to supported formats, confirm MIME types, and keep within the size limit so the form accepts them reliably. You finish by submitting a test response and carefully reading any confirmation or error messages that appear, because those messages guide the fix. If you hit a block, capture screenshots and contact the form owner asking them to adjust permissions, disable restrictive validation, or raise response limits. If the owner is unresponsive or the form appears corrupted, recreate a copy file, make a copy, and test that copy. This often resolves hidden configuration or script corruption. For persistent errors,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.